This is how far it stretches out. I mean, can you imagine? Right, well, we've come down to Hemsby now, about 6-7 miles from where we've just been down that end. This suffers a lot from coastal erosion as well. You can see these have all been put in some years ago to try and stop it, but it's still not working. And we'll have a look as soon as you get onto the beach. This here, is that a footway or? I'd need to be on top to see what it is, if it's a bit of a footway or roadway or from a house. When it's first built, all your the strength of the concrete there, it's just all worn away, and obviously that bit's collapsed down. We can see the sea will just come straight in here, especially when there's a storm, straight in up here and take all this with it. This was some structure at one time, foundation, the brickwork. Could it have been an outhouse? But look, that's just all there is to it. But if you look at the top, that section there, that's just soil, grass and soil, and then it's again like the other beach we've just been to. It's just sand. Again, though, a lovely beach. And then driving through, we've just parked just up there because it's a Sunday. £2 to park all day long till 7 o'clock tonight. Yeah, and I didn't realise until we drove through, Hemsby is like a little seaside resort. Loads of arcades and amusements and fairground rides. So, obviously, pipe work here, foundations, all gone. I'm sure probably out to about here. Let's turn around now and have a look. Yeah, this here has probably only taken 10 years to be lost to the sea. If you can remember that time from the video we did at the Royal Observatory Corps at Tunstall, where it fell into the sea, Tunstall I should say, where it fell into the sea, that was losing 2 metres a year. 2 metres a year, 7 feet a year. And that's just further on down there, further on up there towards Hull, same coastline. It's all the east coast. But look here, I mean, people had to move out their houses and take what they could. Is that part of a garage, whatever, there, look, all there. Some people, I think on the last storm we had, some people who moved out that night. I don't know what this is. Blue water pipe there. But look, it's just built into nothing. It's just sand. Even the trees don't stand a chance. And here's your evidence here. That's all tarmac or gravel and cement. That's from part of a road. Another big pipe there, blue pipe, water pipe. A big old tree come down. That pipe there, I wonder what that was carrying. Probably cables. This one here, no, it's not open-ended. And here's all your evidence of what was here. It's just unbelievable, the amount of land lost to the sea. These have all been put in place quite high, these rocks are. But were these put in too late to save all this? And there's a ballast fencing that didn't do much good. That was probably just to stop people walking down here when it was about to go. More big slabs of concrete. But look at that concrete base there. You can see the reinforcement underneath. It's like a spring, metal spring type thing. That's all the reinforcement. Then they pour the concrete on top. But below it's just sand. I mean, I know I keep saying it, you're probably fed up with me saying it. It's just sand, but As soon as water gets on that, it's just all going to come away. And look at this. That might have been part of the coastal road, I don't know. Someone's had a field day with these barrels. They must have been part of in someone's garden, and surely someone's come down and dumped them here. Yeah, it's just so sad to see people's homes. Probably the kids used to play football on this lawn. Just trying to look up there, like paint pots holding up the wooden walkway. And there's part of a walkway, you can see the rails on each side. Walkway to nowhere now. The white pipes there from the sink, a drain, fence post there, about used to come further out here. And I bet these poor souls, when the weather comes on and it says storm so and so, whoever is on its way, yeah, they say storm so and so is on its way, they fear the worst. But you can see now these black pipes here, I mean water's normally a blue pipe, but whatever it was for, looks like a hose. But look how far it stretches out. This is how far it stretches out, so far to here. That's how much has been lost, plus more. Don't know what this is here. Ah, a toilet. Well, a toilet seat. Let's hope they weren't sitting on that when it went. But there's not much holding this up, as when we looked previously at the place we've just been to, Hemsby. I know it was only clay, sand on clay. There's a bit of something there, but I keep doing this. Look at this. It's just next big storm. It's just going to wash away. Again, I don't know how far the tide comes up. You see different colours here. So where it only comes as far as this, but on a high tide, it's just going to hit that all the time. And then we look at this one here, this black grated stuff here. You put that down normally on top of mud, soil, and then it gives you some sort of stability, and your grass grows through it and holds it in place. It hides that. Loads of it all up here. So this was someone's lawn. There's their rail to the pathway there. Yeah, and that's it. It runs along here. This black thing here. Look, it's like you put it down, and then you put gravel on top, and it's like a gravel path. So we know how far out this all came. Well, it sounds lovely. Sounds nice and soft. I bet when they first moved here and got into these little houses, they thought brilliant, you know, sea view, because the sea was out there. But as they say, over the years, it's just all washed away. Earlier on in the video I was telling you about the 12 acres of land up in Hemsby that was lost in one night in 1845, a big storm. And then the 1953 storm down that end, 300 lives lost in one night. 1953. I'll put a photo of the board up with the information board. So whether or not the sea only reached certain points then, and then one night they had that massive storm and it swept a lot of houses into the sea. And if it's in the hours of darkness and people are in bed asleep, they've not got a chance. Yeah, look, all the old roadways, paths, whatever, just gone, and even getting covered now. brickwork from the house. Somebody's garden wall up there. It's just unbelievable. See, Banksy's been down here with his spray can. Well, I'm just going to walk up to this corner and see what's here, and then I think we'll call it a day. But it's so sad to see. I mean, can you imagine, you know, your parents, your grandparents bought a place down here, a bit of a holiday home, or even moved down here for retirement many years ago, and the sea was out there, and they thought, yeah, that'll do us. And years later, it's all gone. And this is waiting to come down now. This is like that. Yeah, look, you can pick at it. It looks solid, but you can just scratch away at it. That's obviously clay. So the clay is going to put up more resistance than the sand, which is why it's sticking out so much. But it'll only give up a resistance for so long, or it'll only hold it for so long, and it gives up. Big old pipe here. That's the mains water, that is blue. Now I'm just looking at these. I've stepped back so you can see. So these here, concrete blocks, notches on the top, so underneath there's obviously holes that they fit in. They've been put there. Probably a bit late in the day, but they could be doing the job. Like Lego bricks, isn't it? Is it working? Or is it just pushing it down here and taking all that out there? Somebody's solitary flag flying there at the end of the garden. Every year they've got to reduce that garden. I wonder if that's just single stone, or is there stone further down, that these things go further down. Or if they built these higher, yes, it probably would break it up a bit. It's all about taking the energy out of those waves. That's what you've got to do, just take so it just rolls up to the side of the cliff. Get that energy out. And look at this, like, this must have been a road. Or part of the promenade. There, look. Now, have I walked myself into a corner? Yes, I have. Go through here. Get your feet wet, Jim. Bloody hell, that goes... Jesus. I sunk about a foot down there. I thought I was going to step in a puddle and go on solid ground. Yeah, so that's why these have been put in. We can see now all these are in danger of going. But there, they've not fallen. They've just laid them willy-nilly. With the tide coming in, and they had to do a rush job. Already put like that so the water goes in between and just breaks itself up. But certainly that's why this row of Lego bricks, as I call them, are there, because of all these houses along there. Right, let's have a quick last look at the sea before we go. Is that tide coming in or going out? It's obviously been in. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. Well, there we go. Okay, so from Hemsby on the east coast of the UK. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, it's free to do so. And we'll see you again on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.